And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn banners and flares, ranked, honor, clash, and event rewards. If you've ever wondered what those decorative borders and icons are around the loading screen or on player profiles, they're called banners and flares, and they showcase your achievements across different parts of the game. Let's start with ranked banners, sometimes called loading screen flare. These appear around your champion portrait in the loading screen and reflect your current or highest tier in a specific ranked queue, like Solo Tla Duo or Flex, during the current season or split. As you play and win ranked games, you climb through the tiers: Iron, Bronze, Silver, Gold, Platinum, Emerald, Diamond, Master, Grandmaster, and Challenger, and your border updates automatically to match your progress. At the end of a split or season, you also earn a permanent banner or emblem based on your final rank. That permanent reward can be equipped on your profile to show off where you finished, even after the split changes. Next is the honor flare that appears in the loading screen. The honor system rewards consistent good sportsmanship. Once you reach honor level 3, 4, or 5, you unlock a special flare that can appear above your champion portrait. To display it in your next game, you need to have been honored in your previous match, either by one non-pre-made teammate or by two pre-made teammates. The look of the flare changes with your honor level, with level 5 having the most distinct design. Keep in mind, you progress through honor by playing match-made games and being a positive teammate, so staying tilt-free and avoiding penalties helps you keep that momentum. Clash banners come from the weekend tournament mode where you compete with a pre-made team. Participate in a Clash tournament and win your bracket, typically 3 wins, to earn a Clash trophy and an associated banner. This banner appears on your profile and even shows on the in-game nexus in your next matches, making your tournament victories visible to everyone. Finally, there are event or battle pass banners. During special limited time events, you can unlock unique profile banners or flare by completing event missions or advancing through the event's pass track. These are only available during the event window, so keep an eye on the event hub and timelines to make sure you don't miss out. To recap, ranked play and honor contribute to your loading screen flare, Clash celebrates tournament success, and events bring limited time style. Play consistently, keep it positive, and check your profile to equip the rewards you've earned.